In a village called Sitapur, Manoj lived with his wife Mamta and daughter Kajal. Manoj worked in a factory. Mamta was a housewife and Kajal was still a student.
Give me my lunchbox quickly. I need to go to work.
Yes, here it is. Go safe. Manoj went to the factory, but that day an accident happened and both his legs got badly injured. Oh God, what has happened?
I am just worried. How will we run the house now?
Don't worry, Papa. I will take care of it now.
What will you do, my little girl?
I'll do something. Please don't stress. You just rest and get better soon. Kajal thought for a bit and then remembered her city friend once taught her how to make burgers. She decided to sell them. She started a small burger cart in the market, but no one was buying her burgers. Fresh burgers! So tasty, you will lick your fingers. Fresh burgers! Some people came, looked and walked away. Looks like this is harder than I thought. Tired, she packed up in the evening and came home. Mom, no one liked my burger. Maybe I made it wrongly.
Dear, don't give up. No one succeeds on the first try.
Your father is right, beta.
I remember your grandma used to cook so well. She had many old recipe books. Maybe they can help you. Go check the cupboard. Don't lose hope, Kajal. Everything will be okay.
But I have to make burgers. I don't know what grandma's recipes have. Yes, that's true. But you do fill your burgers also? Maybe you can use her recipe ideas for the fillings? Kajal liked the idea. She ran to the cupboard and took out the old books and then started reading them. They had info about spices, flavors, and food presentations also. She learned new things and decided to improve her burger's taste and stuffing. Wow, these books have so many ideas. I can try different things in my burger now. And I think that people will definitely like it. Next day, she made burgers with new spices and flavors. She made spicy, cheesy, and mild, 3 types of burgers. Then she went back to her cart. Come and try special burgers you've never tasted before. This time, a few people came, tasted her burgers, and said they were good. But still, not many customers. Just then, 2 friends, Rahul and Karan, walked by.
Hey Karan, let's try a burger. No bro, I hate when the fillings fall and mess up my shirt. Let's just get pizza. Good point. I like burgers too, but they always make a mess. Pizza is a better option.
They walked on, but Kajal heard them and decided that she will have to do things differently. She kept thinking all night and finally had a great plan. Mom, Dad, I have decided I'll make a UFO burger. UFO burger? What's this new idea?
Burgers that fly in the air.
No, Papa, but it will look like a UFO. It will attract people, and the main thing is, its filling won't fall out. Sounds cool, but how will you make it? You just see, Mom, I will do it. Next day, Kajal made a burger in a new style. She rolled the bread in a way that it looked like a UFO and that the stuffing stayed inside. She named it as UFO Burger. She took it to the cart and then started shouting loudly, "A new and unique burger! UFO Burger! Try once and you will come again." So people started to get curious.
UFO burger? What's that?
Just try once, you will know. Just then, Rahul and Karan came by again. Kajal called out to them, "Hey guys, no more messy shirts. Come and try the UFO burger."
Let's see if she's telling the truth. UFO.
They tasted the burger and smiled right away.
Wow, it's tasty and nothing wrapped. Dude, this is different. I'm only eating this from now on.
The UFO burger started getting popular. In a few days, crowds began coming to her cart. Then one day, a guy with a camera came to her.
Hey, I'm Love, a vlogger. I heard about your UFO burger. I want to try it.
Sure, here you go. Love tasted it and shouted in excitement.
Oh man, this is amazing. I have never eaten something like this.
Then he looked into the camera and said,
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. If you are in Sitapur and haven't eaten this, then you are missing out something. It's tasty and looks cool. This is the UFO burger.
Love posted the video. It went viral in just a few days. A few days later, Love came back.
Hey Kajal, my followers want to know more about your burger. They're asking for your Insta ID too.
But I don't have any Insta ID.
What? You're running a business without social media?
I don't know much about these things.
Oh, no problem. Let me help you by creating your ID.
Love instantly made an Instagram account for Kajal and taught her how to post photos and videos.
Now post daily and tell people what's special about your burger. This will help your business grow.
This is amazing. Now Kajal started advertising her UFO burger online. Her posts got many likes and many comments. Her cart became so much popular. Soon, she could not handle the crowd alone. Now, you need to hire someone. Yes, Mom, you're absolutely right. Kajal soon hired another girl. The UFO burger became super famous. People came from far away to eat it. Then one day, a fancy car stopped at her stall. A rich man in a suit came out.
Hey, are you Kajal?
Yes, tell me.
I want to order your UFO burgers for my son's wedding. Hundreds of guests will come. I don't care about the price, just keep the same taste. Are you interested to take this booking? But the quality has to be same.
I can do it, sir. The wedding day arrived. Kajal set up her stalls there. Many famous people came and they all appreciated the taste of her burger. Some 5-star hotel owners even offered her a job and she was delighted.
Miss Kajal, come work at our hotel. We'll pay you good salary.
Okay. Kajal joined the 5-star hotel. Now she made expensive burgers for rich people and earned a lot of money. But one day she sat and thought, my burgers are only for rich people now. What about my old customers, the ones I started for? They are not here anymore. No, I don't want to be someone who cooks only for the rich. She quit her hotel job and used her savings to open her own restaurant. Outside, she put up a board that read, Kajal's UFO burger, great taste at low price. This is good. Now everyone can enjoy your burger.
Hey, Kajal is back. We'll get the real UFO burger again.
For a while, I forgot where I come from. But now I'm back and I'm here to stay. Manoj was fully recovered too. But now he didn't need to work anymore. Sometimes he would sit at the restaurant's cash counter. Their lives had completely changed, all because of the UFO burger.